In this video, you'll learn how to use a Binance referral code effectively. By following this guide, you will successfully apply the code during the registration process and ensure that you receive any associated bonuses or benefits. Start by navigating to the Binance registration page. This is typically found on the main Binance website. Once you are on the registration page, locate the section where you can create your account and look for a field labeled referral code. It is important to enter the referral code in this specific field before proceeding to create your account. After entering the referral code, you will need to complete the sign-up process. You have the option to register using either your email address or your phone number. Choose your preferred method and fill in the required information. Following this, you will be prompted to complete a verification process. This may involve confirming your email or phone number, as well as providing any additional information requested by Binance. Once you have completed the sign-up and verification steps, your account will be created. At this point, it is essential to confirm that the referral code was applied correctly. To do this, navigate to your referral dashboard within your Binance account. This dashboard will display any bonuses or commission benefits you may have received as a result of using the referral code during registration. If you do not see the expected bonuses, or if the referral code does not appear to have been applied successfully, double check the code you entered during registration. Additionally, ensure that you have completed all verification steps, as incomplete verification may affect your eligibility for referral bonuses. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next tutorial.